Welcome to GS1 Australia Recall. This is an important tool designed in collaboration with industry to help automate and simplify the process of creating a product recall notice to communicate with your trading partners and capture an audit trail of responses. Whether you are communicating with major retailers or small corner stores, it's able to help you communicate a recall notification once only in the same format to all your trading partners and the regulators. Some participants using the GS1 Recall system include Metcash, Coles and Woolworths. We're proud to advise the Recall platform is offered to members of the Independent Brewers Association as part of the Victual Risk Management Package. But what does that mean for you? Communicating a product recall or withdrawal via the Recall platform will become part of your overall recall plan. In the event of a food safety incident, you'll be engaging with the experts at Victual who will help you decide at what point you might need to log in and start creating a notice in the Recall platform.
We believe that the time spent in preparation is only going to add value to your business. Being prepared to respond quickly, having access to those experts and being able to bring them in quickly is really what's going to be able to help you respond to that crisis.
In addition to accessing the subject matter experts at Victual, you'll also have access to the GS1 Recall support team who can help guide you through the creation of a notice or provide assistance. Always make sure you contact Food Standards Australia New Zealand by phone prior to submitting a recall notice. Advising them that you'll be sending the notice via the GS1 Recall platform helps speed up the process. Many of the mandatory fields required by FSANZ are already provided to you in the Recall platform. On submission of your recall notice, FSANZ, ACCC and your customers will receive advice of the recall all at the same time. The Recall platform has a specifically designed area where you can perform a mock recall at any time. Some users find this helpful to meet any food safety audit requirements, or just to help new and existing team members get up to speed or stay current with the information gathering and procedural requirements to communicate a product recall or withdrawal. Swift and effective communication plays an important role in minimising the impact and cost of a recall for everyone. Along with engaging the risk management experts at Victual early, using the Recall platform to streamline your communication is an important tool to help ensure your next recall action causes as little disruption as possible. Once you've received your login and password, it's time to get started and register for your free How to Use GS1 Recall demo.